Best Etsy Alternatives 2021. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you some of my favorite websites that I use as an alternative to Etsy. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So Etsy is an amazing website, but it has a lot of different flaws. For example, your store is not your store. Basically, it's under Etsy's control. You can customize it, you can make changes to it. It can easily be banned or suspended, and almost all of your products can be also banned as well. So basically what I'm saying is that even though it is your shop or store, it is still under Etsy's control. So having that in mind, I decided to create a list of websites that I personally have used in the past and that I find really helpful when it comes to selling products online. So having said that, the first website that I have for you guys is called Creative Market. Now Creative Market is an amazing website just like Etsy, but instead it has a lot of different products. So instead of focusing on these certain products, Creative Market has a lot of different products and has a wide variety of graphics as well. So as you can see over here at the top, we have graphics, we have fonts, we have templates, we even have add-ons for a lot of different products or a lot of different software such as Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, InDesign palettes, Procreate brushes, Infinity Designer brushes, and other software as well. And then if we go over to Photoshop, we have all these different categories that we can use on Photoshop, and in Illustrator we also have some of them as well, including Lightroom as well. And then we have photos, and as you can see, we have a lot of different categories of photos. Then we have web themes as well. Basically, we have themes for blogs, businesses, e-commerce website, landing pages, ghost pages, Joomla, Shopify, HTML, CSS. We have a lot of different tools as well. And then in 3D, we have 3D characters, we have environments, objects. We have all these different options and categories as well. So as you can see, we have a wide variety of products that we can use on a Creative Market. Now it's a pretty well-known website, but it is still not as famous as Etsy. Now over here, as you can see, we can click on open a shop and we can just simply click open a shop. Now basically we can create different artworks and illustrations. We have font bundles, we have others, we have vector images, we have Shopify themes, we have Canva templates and product mockups, Instagram templates as well. We even have fonts, as I said before. We can do a lot of good stuff over here on Creative Market, as I told you guys. So if you click on open a shop over here, we can see that we can quickly open a shop and earn money doing what we love. They have a network of 7 million members, which is a pretty big number considering all the other websites that are out there on the internet. We have no pre-product approval as well, instant delivery, no exclusivity logins. They have a lot of good things going for them. And also it is available in a lot more countries than Etsy, even though Etsy is more popular and it should be available in more countries, but it's not, unfortunately. So you can use Creative Market for that. So moving on, the second website that I have for you guys is called designbundle.net. Now this is also a pretty good website, though it is not as well known as Etsy or Creative Market, but it is still pretty good. And as you can see over here, we have a lot of different designs as well. So if we scroll over here at the top, we can see we have crafters, we can see we have graphics, add-ons as well. We have templates and many more. Now the section that I like most is this section over here, which is called crafters. Now as you can see over here, now crafters can create different artwork as well, or graphical images as well. So they can create seasonal, occasional, they can create mock-ups that are seasonal, occasional, clothing, decorative scenes. They can create card making, they can create planners, scrapbooking, printables, embroidery, and they also have SVGs as well, vector files as well. So this is a pretty diverse group of category. As you can see, as we have a lot of different options over here, and underneath graphics, we have illustrations, we have icons, textures, patterns, we have characters, clip arts, vectors, logos as well. We have graphic objects and elements and all the other graphical objects that we need. And underneath add-on, we have Photoshop add-on, we have illustrators, we have add-ons for Lightroom and other softwares. We can add shapes in our Photoshop. We can procreate stuff and procreate brushes as well. And underneath template, we have templates for mockups such as branding, clothing, exhibitions. We have templates for Facebook, Instagram, and we also have templates for websites, for book publishing, card invites, presentation templates. We have web elements, newsletters, emails. We have all these different types of categories as well. And underneath more, you have fonts, you have products, and you have photos as well. So as I said, they have a pretty great lineup of products that we can sell, and they also have some bundle deals going on as of right now. So as you can see, 45% discount. So if I click over here, this is a Santa SAC SVG bundle, which means that we will have a lot of different options over here. And if we scroll down below, we will see that we will have stilettos for basic designing. We have EPS for illustrations, SVGs for circuit design, and SVG for silhouettes, PNGs, and many more, which is pretty cool. And I know you're thinking that these aren't free, but they also have free designs over here. They also have $1 deals. They have plus memberships and other sites as well over here. So if I click on free design, it is going to take me over to this part of the website where all the designs that I can see are free. That includes PNGs and PDF and other mockups and stuff like that. As you can see, we have this SVG or background or for shirts, and we can see we have some stickers and animal stickers and PNGs, SVGs, EPS, and many more. So these are all free, guys. And as you can see over here, we have some free craft flies, graphics, free embroidery design, free icons, free illustrations, free laser cutting files, and everything that you can see over here. We even have free Canva templates if that is what you're looking for. And if we click over here, we can see the most trending one as of right now. So this is the most trending free bundle that is on this site. Then next on a bicycle clip arts as well. So clip arts are pretty cool. You can use these for logos and stuff like that. So as you can see, this one looks pretty cool. We have some butterflies and we have all these different things as well. So this is a pretty amazing website. Designbundle.net is a pretty amazing website, and you can also get $180 worth of designs just for $1. So if you want to join, they give a discount for the first month, and you can get up to $180 worth of designs in just $1. So I would highly recommend this website, guys. So now moving on to the final website that I have for you guys, it is called Creative Fabrics. Now Creative Fabrics is also a pretty amazing website. Now, as I said before, it's not as known as the previous two websites. I mean, the most popular website on this list is Etsy, but we're not talking about Etsy. These are basically alternatives for Etsy. Now, I'm sure you've noticed a pattern over here. What I'm trying to do is, as you can might have noticed, that all these websites that I have shown you guys, they all have vector images or PNGs and stuff like that. Now, why do you think I'm showing you this? It's because these websites will give you free images and illustrations and PNGs that you can use to make products on Shopify. Now, if you go over to Shopify and you use some of these licensed illustrations and SVGs and mock-up designs, you will not get a copyright strike on your store, and you will be able to sell your products on every single print-on-demand website that is out there. So that is what my basic plan is. I'm just showing you the way so that you guys can go over to the main websites and earn lots and lots of money. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And if you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as I can. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.